Hello and welcome to this video where we will be going through the steps to change the grinding wheel on a MAG-8100 lawnmower blade sharpener. Now if you've seen any of our other videos where we've changed grinding wheels, whether it was the older MAG-9000 or MAG-8000 or the newer MAG-8200, the process is all the same, but we'll do it here on the 8100 to let you see the full setup. With the MAG-8100, we do need a 5/16 driver to take the front cover off, so we'll start there. It's just 3 screws. And then now we've exposed the grinding wheel cavity here, and just like all of our machines, we have our spanner wrench that fit into the 2 holes on the arbor. And if the nut is very tight, you can also use your arbor wrench, which hooks behind, to help you get that nut off if it is stubborn. And do remember, it is a left-handed thread. And here we can simply slide the wheel out. Now you can see the whole grinding wheel cavity. And again, same procedure to install a wheel. We place it back onto the arbor. Take the arbor nut again. And again, remember it's a left-handed thread. And we do engrave the direction on all the arbors. When tightening a grinding wheel, you only need to lightly snug it, because every time the machine turns on, it's turning on the opposite direction of the threads, so it'll always be tightening itself. So you do not need to over compress or really push that hard on the grinding wheel. Then we can replace the cover again. And you can see replacing a grinding wheel is just that fast and simple. And remember, to ensure you have your proper 30-degree angle, you'll need to use the crank on the machine here to lower the grinding wheel until you're almost touching this leading edge or corner of the plastic work tables. One way you can gauge this is the thickness of a business card. If that passes in there, you're at 30 degrees. I certainly hope that helps. Thank you very much for watching.